Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix permanently suspended Twitter account. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Twitter application on your device and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner, then scroll down. Tap Setting and Support located at the bottom, then select Help Center. Once the website loads, type About Suspended Accounts in the search bar. Scroll down to navigate and tap on How to Unsuspend Your Twitter Account, then look to the File and Appeal button. It will bring you to another page. When it is done reloading, you will see your information automatically filled in, so all you just have to do is input a sentence or paragraph in the description of the problem and then submit. That's it! Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.